Aarav was a college student from Delhi. He was in his final year of engineering, a field he chose because of his love for technology and innovation. Aarav was always curious about how things worked and spent countless hours tinkering with gadgets and software. His friends often sought his help for tech-related issues, and he was more than happy to assist. Despite his busy schedule, Aarav managed to balance his academics with his passion projects, often burning the midnight oil to meet deadlines and work on his ideas. He was smart and ambitious. Aarav's professors often praised his analytical skills and his ability to think outside the box. He was not just a bookworm. He actively participated in various tech fests and hackathons, winning several accolades. His ambition was fueled by a desire to create something impactful, something that could change lives. Aarav believed that with the right knowledge and tools, he could achieve anything he set his mind to. Like many young people, he had a dream. Aarav wanted to make money, lots of it, but his dreams were not just about wealth. He envisioned a future where he could use his skills to solve real-world problems. Aarav often found himself daydreaming about innovative solutions and business ideas. He kept a notebook where he jotted down his thoughts, goals, and plans for the future. This notebook was his treasure trove of ideas, a constant reminder of what he aimed to achieve, not just for himself, but to help his family too. Aarav came from a middle-class family that had always supported his dreams. His parents worked hard to provide for him and his siblings, and Aarav wanted to give back. He dreamed of buying a house for his parents, ensuring his siblings received the best education, and lifting his family out of financial constraints. Their unwavering support was his biggest motivation, and he was determined to make them proud. One day, Aarav stumbled upon the world of artificial intelligence. It was during a late-night research session that he came across an article about AI and its potential to revolutionize industries. Intrigued, he delved deeper, reading about machine learning, neural networks, and the transformative power of AI. The more he read, the more fascinated he became. Aarav realized that AI was not just a buzzword, it was the future, and he wanted to be a part of it. He heard stories of people using AI to make money. These success stories were not just about financial gains, but also about creating innovative solutions that addressed critical issues. Entrepreneurs and tech enthusiasts were leveraging AI to develop products and services that made a difference. Aarav was inspired by these stories and saw a reflection of his own aspirations. He believed that if they could do it, so could he. Could this be his ticket? Aarav was curious and excited to learn more. He spent hours researching, watching tutorials, and enrolling in online courses to understand the intricacies of AI. His curiosity knew no bounds, and he was eager to apply his newfound knowledge. Aarav joined online forums and communities, connecting with like-minded individuals who shared his passion. These interactions fueled his excitement and provided him with valuable insights and resources. He knew this was a chance he couldn't miss. Aarav was determined to master AI and use it to achieve his dreams. He set clear goals and created a roadmap to guide his learning journey. With each passing day, his confidence grew, and he felt more prepared to take on the challenges ahead. Aarav's journey was just beginning, but he was ready to embrace it with open arms, knowing that his hard work and determination would lead him to success. Aarav started researching everything about AI. He read articles, watched videos, and joined online communities. He was determined to understand the intricacies of this rapidly evolving field. Every evening, after his day job, he would spend hours diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence. The more he explored, the more he realized the vast potential AI held. It wasn't just about understanding the technology. It was about envisioning how it could transform industries and everyday life. Aarav's curiosity knew no bounds, and he was eager to learn more. The more he learned, the more fascinated he became. He discovered that AI was not just a futuristic concept, but a present-day reality with applications in various fields. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, AI was making waves everywhere. Aarav was particularly intrigued by how AI could analyze vast amounts of data to make predictions, automate mundane tasks, and even assist in creative processes. He started to see AI as a tool that could augment human capabilities, making us more efficient and innovative. AI wasn't just robots and science fiction. It was a real opportunity. Aarav began to see the practical applications of AI in everyday life. He read about AI-powered robots assisting in surgeries, algorithms predicting stock market trends, and smart systems personalizing learning experiences for students. The possibilities seemed endless. Aarav was particularly excited about the potential for AI to drive innovation in business. He envisioned a future where AI could help entrepreneurs like him streamline operations, reach new markets, and create groundbreaking products. He found out about AI tools that could write stories, create art, and even build websites. These tools were not just novelties. They were powerful instruments that could save time and enhance creativity. Aarav experimented with various AI applications, from generating unique artwork to crafting compelling narratives. He was amazed at how these tools could take a simple idea and transform it into something extraordinary. The more he experimented, the more he realized that AI could be a game changer for creative professionals and businesses alike. Aarav realized he could use these tools to offer services online. He saw an opportunity to leverage AI to provide high-quality, efficient services to clients around the world. Whether it was content creation, digital marketing, or web development, AI could help him deliver exceptional results. Aarav started to brainstorm business ideas, considering how he could integrate AI into his offerings. He was excited about the prospect of starting his own venture, one that combined his passion for technology with his entrepreneurial spirit. He decided to focus on content writing using AI, as it seemed like a good place to start. Content was in high demand, and AI tools could help him produce high-quality articles, blog posts, and marketing materials quickly and efficiently. Aarav began to develop a content strategy, identifying target audiences and planning topics that would resonate with them. He was excited about the potential to scale his business, reaching more clients and delivering top-notch content with the help of AI. The dream was just beginning, and Aarav was ready to make it a reality. Aarav chose a popular AI writing tool. He was amazed by its capabilities. The tool could generate different writing styles and formats. It was like having a personal writing assistant. He practiced using the tool, learning its strengths and limitations. He experimented with different prompts and inputs. Aarav quickly realized that while AI was powerful, it still needed human guidance to produce the best results. Aarav knew he had to find clients for his services. He joined freelance platforms and created profiles. He highlighted his AI content writing skills and offered competitive prices. He spent days crafting compelling proposals, showcasing his understanding of AI and its benefits for businesses. Slowly but surely, responses started coming in. Section 5. The first gig. Aarav received his first order. A small business needed product descriptions for their website. He was both nervous and excited. It was time to put his AI skills to the test. He carefully inputted the product information into the AI tool and generated the descriptions. He then spent time editing and refining the output, ensuring it was engaging and original. The client was thrilled with the results. Section 6. Overcoming obstacles. Aarav's journey wasn't always easy. He faced challenges along the way. Sometimes the AI tool wouldn't understand his instructions. Other times, clients had unrealistic expectations. He learned to overcome these obstacles through patience and persistence. He discovered new techniques to get better output from the AI. He also became better at communicating with clients, setting realistic expectations, and explaining the AI process clearly. Section 7. Scaling up. As Aarav gained more experience, he started taking on bigger projects. Initially, he was hesitant, unsure if he could handle the increased workload and responsibility. But with each new project, his confidence grew. He meticulously planned each step, ensuring that he was always prepared for any challenges that might arise. His ability to analyze financial charts and make data-driven decisions became one of his strongest assets. Aarav's dedication to his work was evident in the quality of his projects, which consistently exceeded client expectations. He learned how to use AI for different types of content, from social media posts to blog articles. This technological advancement allowed him to streamline his workflow and produce high-quality content at a faster rate. Aarav spent countless hours experimenting with various AI tools, understanding their strengths and limitations. He discovered that AI could not only save time, but also enhance creativity by providing new perspectives and ideas. His social media presence flourished, attracting a larger audience and increasing engagement. He even started experimenting with AI-powered tools for graphic design and video editing. These tools opened up new possibilities for Aarav, allowing him to create visually stunning graphics and professional quality videos without needing extensive training. He enjoyed the process of learning and mastering these new technologies, often staying up late to perfect his skills. The AI tools became an extension of his creativity, enabling him to bring his ideas to life in ways he had never imagined before. His income began to grow steadily. With each successful project, Aarav's reputation as a reliable and innovative professional spread. Clients were willing to pay a premium for his services, recognizing the value he brought to their businesses. The financial rewards were a testament to his hard work and dedication. Aarav was careful with his earnings, always looking for ways to invest them wisely to ensure long-term growth and stability. He reinvested his earnings back into his skills, understanding that continuous learning was key to staying ahead in the competitive market. Aarav attended workshops, seminars, and conferences, always eager to learn from industry experts and peers. He believed that knowledge was the most valuable asset he could acquire, and he was committed to expanding his expertise in every possible way. Purchasing more advanced AI tools. These investments allowed him to stay at the forefront of technological advancements, ensuring that he could offer the best possible services to his clients. Aarav was always on the lookout for the latest software and tools that could enhance his productivity and creativity. He understood that in order to maintain his competitive edge, he needed to continuously upgrade his toolkit, and taking online courses to further his knowledge. These courses covered a wide range of topics, from advanced AI techniques to business management and marketing strategies. Aarav was a lifelong learner, always seeking to improve himself and his business. The knowledge he gained from these courses was invaluable, helping him to refine his skills and stay ahead of industry trends. He was determined to make his dream a reality. Aarav's journey was not without its challenges, but his unwavering determination and passion for his work kept him going. He often worked late into the night, driven by a desire to achieve his goals and make a lasting impact in his field. His story is a testament to the power of hard work, perseverance, and the willingness to embrace new technologies and continuously learn and grow. Section 8. Reaching the Summit. Rs 1,000,000. After just 30 days of hard work and dedication, Aarav hit his target. He had made Rs 1,000,000 using AI. He couldn't believe it. His dream had become a reality. Aarav's story is an inspiration to all. It shows that with the right mindset and the power of AI, anyone can achieve their goals. He proved that age is just a number, and with hard work, even the most ambitious dreams can be achieved. Section 9. Your AI adventure awaits. Aarav's journey is just one example of how AI is creating opportunities. If you're ambitious and willing to learn, the world of AI is waiting for you. Start exploring, embrace the possibilities, and see where your AI adventure takes you.